It's important to make a ladylike entrance into the house. Try make as much noise as possible and then blame the lamp, because remember, it's lifeless objects that make the most noise. Imagine walking half an hour in these things trying to get a taxi. Release these beasts from me feet. You're about to make the world's best cheese toasty because you couldn't be arsed queuing for a reheat chipper. Then suddenly you remember you have a bladder full of orchard thieves. Toilet break! Down in water like the Jaeger bombs you're gonna regret drinking tomorrow. It's important to step on the creakiest floorboard in the fucking gaff and wake everybody up. Now it's time to remove everything fake about you, including the pennies latches that gave you cataracts. Next up is your loopy earrings that were only short of giving you gangrene. Now it's tissue tits, cause you just haven't got the money to get the real deal. Even the fillers girls, they count too. Take that weave out that's been weighing your head down like your direct debits. And finally, remove the 5 layers of Elizabeth Arden foundation with a dried out baby wipe. Now you're going to ring your fella and remind him how clingy you are.
Oh, did I wake you? What? I was nice and fucking nest.
Remove all contents from your bed. Remember when you were getting ready tonight? Yeah, that's tomorrow's problems, love. Now take one bite of your cheese toasty and use it as a pillow.